For today we're gonna do slot milling. Select rectangle, width 1 inch, height 2 inch, anchor to center, select origin. Draw another rectangle, width 0.5 inch and height 1 inch, anchor to center, select origin, OK. And now select arc endpoints, select corners of rectangle inside, select upper arc of radius 0.25, same with the bottom one, click OK and delete width of rectangle. OK, our slot is ready. Now we're gonna go to machine, select mill, default, select slot mill, milling operation, then set up stock, all the entities, select all, make our Z value 0.25 inches, OK, and now go to slot milling, click over here, slot mill, click on the bottom of inside circle, make sure it's clockwise, select tool, we're gonna select quarter inch and mill, so go to none, flat and mill, OK, select tool library, quarter inch and mill, yeah, click OK, comment it slot milling. Now go to cut parameters, make sure it's 0, make step over 12%, and then depth, enable depth cuts, make max to 0.05, and then keep tool down, no breakthrough, disable breakthrough, linking parameters, enable clearance, make sure all are absolute, then make our depth to minus 0.125 inches, click OK. And now you're gonna see tool path is generated, which is slot milling. Go to top, isometric view, select all, go to verify, and then new window will pop up, and click on start, and then you're gonna see how tool comes up and doing slot milling. That's guys, this is called slot milling in Mastercam, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit like if you found this video useful, and please subscribe for more coming updates regarding Mastercam. Thanks for watching guys.